Today we talk about offset command. Let's start. First we go modifier tools bar there. Click here. You see the offset tool. Click there, or you can use shortcut key OF. After clicking on the offset command, you can take offset of any wall. You can take offset of any wall, and this wall will be taken in two types: graphical and numerical. Suppose I am taking graphical. If we will select any wall in graphical, suppose you select this wall. By taking any face, face point, you can give offset. See, by taking any face point, you can give offset. Okay. Or if you are selecting numerical offset and you are selecting numerical, then you have to provide offset distance here. Okay, suppose we are providing 5 feet. You go to any wall and you will see the distance, offset distance. You just click on the wall, offset will be created. Okay, in this way, if you click, offset will be created. If we go to annotation bar, select the linear distance. Select the align distance. See, 5 feet. It's taking from center to center distance. If you want to change this center to center, you can change here wall face. It will take from here to here. As you need, you can change this. Suppose you want to increase this wall distance, so click on the wall, take it to 7 feet, enter. The offset will be 7 feet. Offset. Suppose you want to take the offset here, click here, just click on the line. If you want to take offset left side, you just do here. If you want to right side, in this way you can create offset. So in this way you can create offset. Thank you for watching my video.